Welcome to WBB Stars. I am Olga and I would like to welcome you at Coozest restaurant at bill&coo Suites. Today I make you one of traditional Greek recipe. The name is Coozest Spetsiota. We can start. We take the pan. Here is all the ingredients. Sorry. We put the fresh vegetables, zucchini, peppers, potato, olives, capari, dill, fresh onions, wild herbs, chives, salt, a little bonito, tomato sauce, bisque from streams. It's both from streams. After we take and put the oven. Well, we put in the oven until it becomes soft. We remove from the heat the pan. Here we have the cold fillet. We put the olive oil and the salt, pepper, and put here. Now we make it start. And put again for grilled the fish. We wait for 5-7 minutes. Well, now it's ready. We take off. We serve it. We finish with served dill. Green olive oil. We waiting you to trust our foods at Mykonos Coozest cuisine. Thank you.